Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Physics Queen Learn Physics in the easiest way. बहुत ही इंपॉर्टेंट अनाउंसमेंट है आप सभी स्टूडेंट्स के लिए जो भी CSI और UGC नेट एग्जामिनेशन की प्रिपरेशन कर रहे हैं और जो अनअकैडमी से अपनी प्रिपरेशन को आगे बढ़ाना चाहते हैं, इम्प्रूव करना चाहते हैं. सो देयर इज़ अ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट अनाउंसमेंट टू ऑल ऑफ यू that you can beat the upcoming price hike that is going to be there on Unacademy Plus subscription. So if you want to beat that price hike, you can subscribe now for the Unacademy Plus subscription. I am Surbhi Upadhyay and I am teaching there live for CSIR UGC NET Physical Science Examination. So this price hike is applicable to all the fields like life science, mathematical science, earth science and all other fields that are under the CSIR UGC NET category. It will be for all the CSIR UGC NET category. So guys, the upcoming price hike, before that I want to tell you about that what are the upcoming courses on Unacademy Plus platform. So we are having the courses that are running courses: detailed course on atomic and molecular physics, detailed course on condensed matter physics. These are running courses, and the upcoming courses are classical mechanics and electronics for GATE, and detailed course on classical mechanics that is going to be launched in the upcoming month. There are different batch courses also provided by an academy top educator, and you can just enroll for the courses, and there all the preparation, that is detailed syllabus preparation, will be there in the batch courses. So you can just write there everything, and you can subscribe for Unacademy Plus. And guys, one more important thing: if you want to subscribe for Unacademy Plus, you can use my referral code there, that is Surbhi Live, for 10% discount. Okay, so you can use this referral code Surbhi Live for 10% discount, and this is also the free coupon code to watch the special classes. ठीक है, यदि आप स्पेशल क्लासेस देखना चाहते हैं तो आपको एक फ्री कूपन कोड प्रोवाइड करना होगा, उसकी जगह भी आप लोग इसे यूज कर सकते हैं. आई विल टेल यू एट द एंड ऑफ दिस वीडियो कि जो प्राइस हाइक है वो कब से होने वाला है. आई विल इन्फॉर्म यू अबाउट दैट ऑल्सो. So for subscription, you can use my referral code. And guys, there is one more thing I want to tell you. There are so many special classes that are free of cost. So we are having live classes on Unacademy platform. Prepare 6 topics in 6 days. GATE and CSIR 2021, we are having that, in which I'm going to teach you at 10 a.m. for the electromagnetic theory and different 6 topics from electromagnetic theory. And Christy sir is going to teach you from 9 p.m. and they will teach you the general aptitude part A. Okay, so you can watch the special classes that are free of cost, and there are more special classes provided by me also in this on this platform. That will be EMT classes in the upcoming days. So you can watch the schedule here. Every class will be at 10 a.m. and you can join that live on my profile. Okay, so there is one more important thing I want to tell you. The price hike is going to be on from 25th of December. So hurry up, few days are left. So price hike from 25th of December. So you can enroll now and get your CSIR UGC NET subscription for the upcoming batches before 25th December. Do it before 25th or till 24th, and you have to pay a very less amount there, because if you're subscribing after the Unacademy price hike, then it will be very costly for all of you to subscribe for that plan. And nowadays it is very less price available at very less price. So you can check for the different prices on Unacademy platform by clicking on get subscription, and you will get there all the plans available. So please do it fast and do it before 24th of December. And don't forget to use my referral code there. And new batches are also coming soon. You can enroll before the price hike. Guys, there will be detailed complete batch course by which you can prepare by the top educators of India. And you will get everything available: PDF, live classes, doubt clearing sessions, and each free class you will get doubt clearing sessions, and mock tests are provided, test series are also provided. You can get your rank, you can get your analysis for your preparation, and everything. You can attend the live. If you are not able to attend live classes, you will get recordings as well. And on just one subscription, you will be able to get all the classes by all the educators for CSIR net category. So if you are subscribing and using my referral code Surbi Live, you will get 10% of discount. Okay, so do it before 24th of December and beat the price hike. So that was everything I want to tell you about the Unacademy price hike. So guys, thank you so much, and don't forget to use it before 24th December, and referral code for 10% additional discount. And thank you so much for watching this video, and you can share with your friends as well. And about this special classes, I will share the link of special classes in the description box, so you can just get all the special classes available there. One more thing I want to tell all of you, that join the Telegram channel Physics Queen. Join this Telegram channel Physics Queen for more information about the special classes and YouTube sessions on Unacademy platform, and you can just watch each and everything there at free of cost also. So if you want the detailed and structured course, you can subscribe for plus, and don't forget to use the referral code Surbi Live for 10% discount. Thank you everyone.